Claiming Pacers lined up for tonight's 11th race, full field of 10 on gate. The gate is rolling. And they're off. Big City fires from the center of the track. Tricky Grin also left well from along the inside, and Hearts Prince left for good early position as they race towards that opening turn. Big City in between horses, looks to take over early for Tyler Smith, but it's Hearts Prince who continues on the outside there for Mark McDonald. Keystone Nighthawk also sets sail early. Bolin let him settle there, and now he's looking for the top as they're midway around that opening turn. And Keystone Nighthawk, the 3 to 5 favorite, continues on and is up to take over, or at least hoping to take over through an opening panel 27-4. But Hearts Prince battles back there from along the inside for Mark McDonald, and Keystone Nighthawk is racing very wide there down the backside towards the half. Big City from along the inside third. Tricky Grin is fourth. Hawaiian Alibi remains in fifth. He's a Son of Eclipse sixth. More Storms Coming is seventh as Broadway Fame moves to the outside eighth. Little Water Tower ninth, and Cruise to Fame is the trailer through the opening half. 55-3. Another 27-4 second quarter as Hearts Prince means business tonight. He takes a length and a half lead now onto the far turn. Big City with a perfect pocket ride in second. Keystone Nighthawk is doing the backstroke around the far turn now. Tricky Grin along the inside third. Hawaiian Alibi up on the outside fourth. He's a Son of Eclipse is 3 wide fifth. More Storms Coming saves ground in sixth around the far turn. And Hearts Prince has got a big one on the front end. He takes him through three quarters, 124-3. Big City trying to take advantage of a perfect trip. He moves to the outside now in second. Tricky Grin all out to the center of the track third. More Storms Coming has moved into fourth as they hit mid-stretch. McDonald goes to work on Hearts Prince. Big City down the center of the track as they drive for the finish. Hearts Prince still there. Big City, one final surge. Big City and Hearts Prince. Big City up to take it from Hearts Prince. Little Water Tower third. Cruise to Fame fourth in 154-4.